Hello and welcome back to Marketing Automation Implementation course. In this part of the course, we're going to start brainstorming about different automations that we can implement. So let's get back to our implementation timeline. We're after the second meeting during which we've decided what kind of user attributes we're going to collect, what kind of events we're going to generate, what kind of tags, lists, and so on we're going to keep in our application. Knowing the data structure is key to our next step, which is automation brainstorms. Now we know what kind of data we can base our automations on, so we can start generating ideas. As I said before, and at this stage, it's not about generating all the ideas in a kind of a final way. Now we just want to find all sorts of different ideas so that we can pick 1, 2, or maybe 5 automations that will solve the biggest pain points without too much work. One last thing before we move on to the brainstorm phase, it's coming up with the buyer personas. If you don't have buyer personas yet, it's a great time to do it right now. If you have them, you can paste them here using this template. So a buyer persona is a popular type of your customer or potential customer that you have. Creating a full profile of that person and being as specific as it's possible will help you truly understand those kind of people and then later adjust your automations in a more suitable way. So for example, here we have John the manager. We have some quick facts about that person, his behaviors and beliefs, goals and needs, some key attributes, and now the last thing is categorization rules. This is how we're going to know that some user in our system is actually John the manager. So for example, we can have the user attribute position is equal to CEO. His attribute city is equal to San Francisco. And his attribute industry is equal to software house. Of course, if you now come up with key attributes that you know how you can gather, you can add them to the previous template with the data structure of your app.